Hello everybody, I'm Dan. Nope, not really. This is a boring character. This one is me. You see, I have custom clothes, and the face looks pretty much like my profile picture, but something is still missing. Oh yes, I need my office. Plus, I'll draw a nice cat over here, just to keep me company throughout the video. As you can see, I'm a whiteboard video producer with more than 5 years of experience. I've completed over 200 whiteboard videos for companies and freelancers all over the world. If you didn't check out my portfolio on Upwork yet, here's a quick tour. Yes, I can do that too. I can put a real video in your animated video, so you can be sure your audience will remember it. You can also check out my reviews here to see what other people think and say about my work and how easy it is to work with me. Okay, I don't want to make this video longer than it has to, because I know time is precious for every one of us. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to getting in touch with you.